attention to all the crazy things that I shouldn't mention. Not really sure, but it feels like my feet are glued to the floor. Don't wanna open up my mouth, cause I'm afraid of what's gonna come out.
Hey Glam Fam! So today I'm doing something exciting! You get to finally meet my mom. This is my beautiful mother. Hello! And of course you guys already know Valerie. So can you guys guess what we're doing? Well, obviously you know what we're doing because of the title, but we're doing Hocus Pocus. So we are the Sanderson Sisters, and this is Winnie. I am Mary, and Val is Sarah, and we really hope you enjoyed this video. We had so much fun doing it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe down below. It's that red button down there. If you click it and then click the bell notification on, you will never miss another one of my tutorials, especially right now. It's Glamoween on my channel, and I post new videos every single week. Right now during Glamoween, I do Halloween videos all throughout the month of October, so I hope you will stay and subscribe. And let's get into this tutorial. Alright guys, we're going to start this off by doing Mary, and we're going to start to prime our eyes with this Sigma eyeshadow base primer. This is in the color Persuade. After that is blended, we're just going to go in and set that and start on our eyes. We are going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills on every single look today. So it's very versatile and I absolutely love it. We're just going to do a basic warm smoky eye here with a brown color and then a warm orangey rustic color. And we're just going to smoke that out and create a rounder shape. I'm going fast through all of these looks because I'm doing 3 looks, and these are actually really easy type of makeup tutorials. Once we are done with lining and highlighting, we are going to move on to the face. Now we are trying to keep our face as round as possible since Mary's face is more round in the movie. So we are bringing our contour around our cheeks, if you can see me doing this here. And then we're also going to contour our nose and blend everything out. Once we are done with that, we're going to add some blush. This is by NYX. And our highlight is, of course, by Kat Von D. And we're going to be using this peachy tone right here. Once we are done with the highlight, we are going to start to go in with the lips. And I'm doing an ombre lip. So I'm going to be using 2 colors, a dark red and a light red. And we're going to put the light red on the center and blend it out into the dark red. Technically, I'm using 3 liquid lipsticks because I'm going in with a white right now and blending that into the center for a good base for that light red to go on so that it shows more. But you could really do this with just the 2 liquid lipsticks. Then I'm going to add my mole and then paint my pieces of hair purple, and this is just regular body paint. I am just blending it into my blonde and then putting a couple pieces in through the baby hairs around my face. And then that is it for Mary. Then we're going to move on to Sarah, and we are using the same primer again, blending that out and then setting it. Now this was actually pretty easy because my sister already really looks like Sarah Jessica Parker, and so it was actually kind of easy because she already has that face shape. But if you were to do this on yourself, you're gonna really want to slim down and elongate your face with contour. Then we're going to be going into the Modern Renaissance palette again, and we are going to just smoke this eye out, and she has more of like a taupey brown smoky eye instead of my warm orangey smoky eye.
I'm hearing voices, I'm seeing visions, I'm not sure who's the one making my decision.
Once you are done with the eyeshadow, we are going to actually do a smoked out liner. So how you do this is you apply the dark brown liner first and smoke that out, and then once that is blended out, you're going to go in with a black. Now once the black is on, you're just kind of blending that into the brown to make them kind of mush together, and look like one is fading into the other, if that makes any sense. Don't blend this out too much or it'll just look like part of your eyeshadow, but done correctly, this is a super nice eye look. Then we're going to go into the face, and I'm just contouring Valerie's face normally as I would because she already has an elongated face. So I'm just accentuating her cheekbones and around her forehead and underneath her jawline. Once we are done with that, I'm just going to clean up my edges of the contour with some translucent powder and then dust that away. And then we're going to move on to the lips. Now, Sarah has a dark red lip in the movie, so we just went in with the dark red lip that I used for mine, and only that, and that is by NYX. And then once that is complete, we're going to add the fake mole and then some highlight, and that is it for Sarah's look.
Not really sure, but it feels like my feet are glued to the floor. Don't wanna open up my mouth, cause I'm afraid of what's gonna come out. Life is but a dream. This can't be happening.
And then we're going to move on to Winnie, which is being done on my beautiful mother. This is the first time she's been on my channel, so give her a warm welcome in the comments. Her name is Lisa. So what we're doing is we are just contouring my mom's face to be a little bit more similar to Winnie's. And then we're also contouring the nose to make it a little bit more skinnier. Well, actually, to make it look a little bit more skinnier. And then once we are done with that, remember guys, this is a modern take on the Sanderson sisters, so it's not going to be exactly the same. I am going to go in and prime my mom's eyes with MAC's Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and we are also going to set that once it's blended out. And then I'm going to just sharpen up my mom's contour lines. So on her nose, along her cheekbones. After that's set for a couple minutes, we're just going to dust it away and move on to her eyes. We are once again going into the Modern Renaissance palette and doing a smoky eye on her as well. We are going to keep this more rounded, more like mine, to kind of accommodate for my mom's eye shape. And then we're going to go in with a darker brown and just blend that into the crease and make sure those two blend in flawlessly. Once we are done blending, we are going to add the dark color onto half of the lid and blend all those colors underneath the eye as well. Once we are done with that, we're going to clean up the eye just a little bit with some concealer, blend that out, and move on to the eyeliner. And then once that is done, we are going to do some blush and then highlight. And then once that is done, we are going to tightline my mom's eyes, which she did a really good job at dealing with. She hates tightlining, but she did a pretty good job this time. Then we're going to curl and apply mascara onto the lashes and then put some falsies on her. And then do that signature pout that Winnie has in the movie with some red lipstick. And that is it for Winnie.
Do all the crazy things that I shouldn't mention. Not really sure, but it feels like my feet are glued to the floor. Don't wanna open up my mouth, cause I'm afraid of what's gonna come out. Life is but a dream.
Alright guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please please don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Also have Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They're also at Beautybyjosiek, just how it's spelled here. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Bye! Mwah! Ready? Your boobs, Mama. more in the middle. There we go. Okay, ready? I'm gonna poke you in the eye. That was actually the longest you went. Let it happen. Let it happen. Look at the camera. Yes, Mom. Oh, you spit everywhere, Val.